Alright guys, so more than likely you clicked on this video because you need buttermilk, and most of us don't just have that sitting in our refrigerator. I know I don't. Now, usually if I need it and I don't feel like going through the rigmarole, I'll just buy it, and that's usually around the holidays. Why? Because I know I'm not going to waste it. And buttermilk usually comes in the quart sizes, which is about 4 cups, and normally on a regular recipe, you don't need that much. So a lot of times it goes bad fast. So today I'm going to share with you how to. Can't show it. Why? Because I've already made my buttermilk for my banana bread, and I thought about it like, darn it, I needed to share this with them because I know there's a lot of people who do not want to buy a $3 quart of buttermilk just for one meal. Guess what? You can make it yourself. You can make it with any milk you choose. I chose almond milk because that's what we drink in this house. But guess what? You only need milk and vinegar. Yes, you can use apple cider vinegar. I decide not to because most of the recipes are usually regular distilled white vinegar, but it's up to you. Now, for every cup of your milk, whatever you choose, you only need 1 tablespoon. Now, if you half that recipe, like I did, I have half a cup of milk because that's what I need for my banana bread. I used a half a tablespoon of vinegar. Once you take your milk, put it in your container, you put your amount of vinegar that you need according to the size you need for your recipe, and you whisk it. Whisk it. I'll say count to 60, 30, not 30, but a minute. And then once you do that, you let it sit from 5 to 10 minutes. If you just have to have it right away, 5 minutes. But if you can wait and let it set and get thicker, give it 10 minutes. And that is it, guys. You have created your own buttermilk without wasting and using things that you already have in your home, and you don't have to go spend your coins. So I hope this was helpful. Guys, make sure if you don't see it up in the air on this video to go check out my cooking videos. I share a lot of recipes, a lot of cooking tips, and a lot of ways to save your coins by making great tasty meals for your family. Thank you for checking out this video. Please share it with other bakers and other people who have the same situation we have, not wanting to buy buttermilk. If you like it and if you enjoy my videos, make sure you join my family by subscribing. You will become a reviver, and you are now part of my YT family. I thank you for watching. I thank you for joining me on this video, and make sure you thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Later, Gators.